Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to show you how to connect your Lemfo LEM11 with iOS. In previous video we told you how to connect it with Android, and now it's time for our iOS user. So let's go ahead and open the app. The app is called wiiwatch 2. We have to allow it for notifications and all this stuff. And to connect it, we have this section right here. This is the QR code reader. Let's go ahead to the menu here. Assistant, connect phone, and we have you have to go here to Assistant, connect phone, you have your QR code, and you go to the QR code reader, and now we have to wait. Press here pair, and it says connected. But for some reason wiiwatch 2 is not working so well in iOS devices. As you can see, in both of my devices we have problem. Now it says to pair it, but again after it's paired you can see it says the percentage of battery, and in the watch it says that it's connected, but actually the app is not working really good. We have another iOS device. We have the same problem as in the first one. You can see that both of them are not showing all of the options. If we take a look in the Android device, the wiiwatch 2 shows a lot more. As you can see in the first page, here we have more information. We have the status, here we have the health, but it's not showing in the iOS. I think wiiwatch 2 has some problems now. We are going to go through with that, and I'm going to explain as much as I can for you guys to understand, especially for connection part. You saw how I scanned the QR code. You should do that too, but you know that it's connected when you have here the percentage of battery. It should tell you with numbers, but in this case it's not showing any numbers at all. We just see the battery with color and with lines. Also here we can see now the burned calories, steps that we did, kilometers, minutes, and heart rate, lowest and highest. Also here we have the sports. For now the sports have trouble too. It's not showing the name of the sports. As you can see, we have here running, this is walking I think, indoor run, cycling, football, I think this is I know this is badminton, table tennis, badminton, and rope skipping. I'm not sure what this is. As you can see, wiiwatch 2 has some troubles with iOS. I want to show you all the troubles, not just the good things. I want to show you everything in the real time, real as it is. And let's go to the second page. As you can see, we have here personal settings. It's step count, app and watch communication, lookup device auxiliary input. In the watch settings we have raise the screen and silent mode. In the app correction we have feedback and instruction. So the wiiwatch 2 app really is a simple app. In the Android it works really good. I don't know why in the iOS these troubles, but I hope wiiwatch 2 will fix these bugs or all these problems in the future with some updates. So guys, this was all for today's video on how to connect the Lemfo LEM11 with iOS. I hope this video was helpful as I thought will be. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to replay to you. And in case you need help, we will try to help you. Thank you very much for your time and your patience. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.